Okay, friends, very good morning. Today we are going to have a discussion on mode field diameter. So, what is this mode field diameter? This is one of the uh, fundamental parameter which was used in a single mode fiber. First of all, for multi-modes, for multi-mode fibers, what are the different parameters we are used for the describing the signal transmission properties in multi-mode fibers means number one, core diameter and numerical aperture. Core diameter and numerical aperture. These two are the parameters which are used for multi-mode which are used in multi-mode fibers. For single mode fibers, why this mode field diameter is used means in order to determine the geometric distribution of light in the propagating mode and and to predict the performance characteristics of these fibers, we are using this mode field diameter mainly to describe the geometrical distribution in the geometrical distribution of light in the propagating mode, and also to predict the performance and also to predict the performance parameters. These by basing on these two parameters, we are using the mode field diameter. So the The fundamental parameter of a single mode fiber is a mode field diameter. So this MFD is determined from the mode field distribution of fundamental fiber mode. So MFD is determined from the mode field distribution of different fundamental fiber modes that are a function of optical source wavelength, core radius, and RIF of the fiber. RIF of the fiber in sense radiation index of the fiber. Next, in single mode fibers, all the light will not propagate through the fiber. So in single mode fibers, all the light which will not propagate through the fiber, some of the light will be attenuates from the out of the core region, out of the core region. The MFD is also used to predict the properties such as splice loss. So if there is any splice loss, bending loss, cutoff wavelength, and waveguide dispersion. These are the properties used to predict the MFD. MFD in sense mode field diameter. Next, a standard parameter or standard technique is used to find the MFD. So here the standard technique is used to find the MFD is to measure the far field intensity distribution E square of R and then to calculate the MFD using. So here first of all, to find the MFD or to calculate the MFD, what we have to measure means far field intensity distribution we have to measure first, and then substitute in the given equation, that is MFD is equal to 2W0, that is equal to 2 of that equation, 2 of integral of 0 to infinity R cube E square R of dr by 0 to infinity of R of E square of R of dr whole power 1 by 2. So here W0 indicates the spot size or mode field radius. Full width of far field distribution. Far field distribution, we can't find how the intensity is distributed or intensity is distributed in the far regions. So that purpose we are going to find the far field intensity distribution, and then we are substituting it in given formula, that is MFD is equal to 2W0. E naught is equal to, here the terms 2W naught. W naught indicates the mode field radius or mode field radius. E square of R indicates the far field intensity distribution. R indicates the radius. E naught is equal to field at 0 radius. And then this is how the distribution of light in a single mode is done above its cutoff wavelength. Okay, above its cutoff wavelength. How the mode field distribution is located in single mode fibers. Okay friends. The maximum part indicates the E naught and the cutoff frequency. Only the single mode fiber above its cutoff wavelength only a distribution of light is located. Okay. So for a Gaussian distribution, the MFD is given by the formula of 1 by E square. For a Gaussian distribution, how the mode field diameter of Gaussian distribution is given by the 1 by E square width of the optical power. 1 by E square width of the optical power. So this is what the mode field diameter, which is the basic and very important parameter to measure the geometrical distribution of propagating fibers in single mode, and also to predict the performance criteria. Okay, thank you friends.